Assalamu alaikum, 5th class. How are you all, students? I am your science teacher, Ms. Ridan sir. Welcome to the science class. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, Forces in Action. So first of all, we are going to define what is force. A force is a push or pull upon an object resulting from the object's interaction with an other object. Whenever there is an interaction between two objects, there is a force upon each of the object. In easy wording, we can say that when we push or pull an object, the objects move from its original position to another position as a result of pushing or pulling. So, we can say that pushes or pulls are forces. In the picture, you can easily understand this concept. A boy is hitting means pushing a ball, so the ball gains energy due to the applying force. It moves from its original position to another position, so this is called as force. There are many kinds of forces. The wind, running water, gravity, all are natural forces. Students, the force in the picture you can see easily. The force may be produced by a human, people, other animals and machines. To measure different objects, different kinds of measuring instruments are used. So, to measure force, a Newton meter is used, which is also called as force meter. You can easily understand the concept of measuring force. Force are measured in newtons. We can write this as capital N. Next, we are going to discussing about inertia. Students, as we know, everything on earth wants to be constant or stable. So, to define inertia, this is the tendency of an object to stay at rest or preserve its state of motion. Students, हर चीज़ या हर ऑब्जेक्ट जो चाहे रेस्ट की फॉर्म में हो या मोशन की फॉर्म में हो, अपनी हालत को बरकरार रखने की कोशिश करता है, उसको हम इनर्शिया कहते हैं. Through this example, you can easily understand the concept of inertia. The balls which is present in the pic wants to preserve the tendency or its state of motion. In the second pic, the tendency of an object to stay at rest. You can easily understand through this example the concept of inertia. If you put a football down, it will stay there unless someone kick it or the wind blows it. So, the kick is a force or wind is a force which is applied on a football, otherwise it preserves its state of rest. Through second example, like if you kick football, it will keep moving until it hits something else or friction slows down it. Inertia is that an object will remain in motion or at rest unless it is acted upon by a force. In inertia, all things preserve its state unless any kind of force applied on it or acted upon it. Inertia is the resistance of any change in an object's movement. When we are traveling in a vehicle, we are moving forward it. When it stops suddenly, our body jerks forward until it is stopped. by our seat belt or another object. This is an example of inertia because our body has resisted the change in motion or rest. Students, this is your assignment. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.